What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So now we're on our way to go pick up a battery for the R1. So as you can tell that, yes, Jack Frost decided to show up again today, and hey, I got a jacket on. So we're about to go head to Walmart, and I'll see you in a minute. A lot of you probably thinking, why am I getting a motorcycle battery at Walmart? Well, the simple fact is I'm about to pull up here and pick up our groceries. So why not? I'm a baller on the budget, so I might as well pick up my motorcycle battery from here. So guys, while we're sitting here waiting on the groceries to come, I totally forgot that I'm giving you an update on the tank situation. I've been super busy this week, so I didn't get a chance to pick up the paint from the paint store. So with that being said, we're just gonna use the old damaged tank and put it on just to see if this thing starts. And we might throw on a few pieces while we're in the process. So I'm really thinking about doing the air box right now to go ahead and get that off and get that crack fixed, because I end up finding my plastic welder. So I think that's gonna be the plan for today. But like I said, it's a little cold outside, so maybe my camera lady, I don't know if she's gonna be able to do some recording today, because she says it's cold. I'm saying it's good to go. So that's pretty much the plan, what we're gonna do today. So, you know, I just got to get home and get out of these, you know, I'm fly today, so I got to get up out of this right here. Got my church clothes on, you know, got to get right to get ready to do this bike, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna be waiting a little bit longer for this groceries to come.
I think we have to call them, babe.
I did.
I think they're broken.
We'll call it again. I don't know if you guys ever use the Walmart pickup. Man, it's great. You do everything on your phone, pick out all your groceries. You already know your total, and then as soon as you get here, you pull up, you push the button, and they come out. But right now, I push the button and nobody ain't come out. They're gonna be bringing the groceries out in here in a moment, and I'm gonna be going inside and picking up battery, because my wife didn't put that on the list. Add it to the list. Add it to the list next time. Next time, add the list. Yes. Yes, absolutely.
Oh, where's he?
Come on, big fella. Come on, bring our food, bro. Come on, big fella, bring our food. We hungry.
Recording with.
I don't care. Big fella, we hungry. Here you come.
Just want to see the groceries. Yay!
Well, he think he famous now. Hey, you can put it back there. You put it in the bag. Oh, okay.
Getting all excited about the groceries.
See if I can get some AC blowing on the bike. Oh yeah, I think this is it. I think this is what I need. Oh, no, I'm gonna put that back. I don't need that. Ooh, here go the batteries. Dang, I think that's my size right there. That's the battery I need for the bike right here. I think that'll work. What y'all think? I think that's the right size. I think that's the right size. Uh-oh, we might be out of luck. All right, you guys, after a failed attempt at this Walmart, I was told I need to go down to the next Walmart, which is 15 minutes away, to get this battery. So, leg out. Okay, guys, we're taking a second attempt at this. We're at Walmart right now, the second location, and now we're about to see if we can get this battery. EXTZ10S. So let's see if we can find that here. EXTZ10S. That's it. We got the battery. And I'll see you guys at the house. All right, we're back here at the house. And now we're about to get ready to put this battery in. So it appears to be I just need to take this bolt, and this bolt off. Then we'll be able to put our battery in, because I don't know why Yamaha did this. The battery goes underneath this. So let's get this started. Now the battery is in place, and so now I have to get ready to dress up these wires yet. I haven't put those into place where they need to be. And also I'm gonna leave off this bracket because right now I wanna see if it comes on as far as to get the power. So let's check the power and see what we're working with. So now we're gonna actually see how many miles this thing is on it. If it will come on. Okay, we got power. 27,000 miles on it. All right, good. All right, so now what I'm about to do is we're gonna go get the gas tank, the damaged one. We're gonna put the damaged gas tank on here, and we're gonna put it in place, put gas in it, and then we're gonna see if this thing fires up. So fingers crossed on this. You're gonna be the first ones to see that if it starts or not. So let's go grab the gas tank and put it on. So here's the old tank. So when I just went and grabbed it, I could see it has a lot of gas in it still. So what I'm about to do is pop off this top, take off these Allens, and we're gonna try to pour out all the old gas that's in it. Mind you, this bike has been sitting up for 5 years, so we definitely need to get some fresh gas in there. Hopefully the fuel pump is not damaged at all, and we can get away with that. So let's get started. Seen brown gas. The gas is like completely just brown, but like I say again, it's been sitting up for 5 years, so it's kind of expected. I definitely don't want to run bad gas through the system again, so I still got some more to get out. So back to it. Okay guys, I still got a lot of bad gas in this tank, so my plan is now is to take out the fuel pump and just drain it from the bottom. It's giving me a lot of trouble trying to take it out from the top, so I'm about to start doing that right now. All right, you guys, so I got the fuel pump into the tank again after getting all of the bad gas out. So right now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna hook these wires up and this vacuum line here to put in for the tank. So let me get that put in right now, and then we're gonna throw some gas in it and we're gonna give it a try. All right, you guys, what do you think? Is it gonna start? I have no idea. I hope it do. Maybe you might think it not, but either way it goes, if it started or not, we're gonna figure out how to get this thing started if it don't start. And if it do start, I wish I could take it around the block. But of course, it's not ready yet, so give me another week at it. Hopefully I'll be able to take it around the block, but let's see if it starts right now. So what you do is, when you wanted to get it to start, you just gotta rub it. You know, she already been in in an accident and her feelings hurt right now.
She's been through a lot.
She's been through a lot. So you just got to rub the tank and say, come on, baby, just start.
Kind of finesse
Just
her.
start for me. All right. So we already seen that the gauge comes on. I didn't check to see if the horn worked. Oh yeah, see, we ready. We street legal. We are street legal in this. So see, we ready to go. All right, one thing I didn't hear right now was the fuel pump. So I don't think I heard it, but maybe it's quiet.
I hear something.
Well, all right, so we have a low battery. So what I'm gonna do is pull the car up and hook the jumper cables up to it, and hopefully we can get it started. So that's probably why I didn't hear the fuel pump, because the battery's low.
Battery.
Yeah, and it said it's supposed to have been ready to run, but that was false advertisement. Does it ever start? It didn't start for me this time, so it wouldn't ever.
Let's hope it's not a never start.
Oh, never start.
Oh.
Let's say ever start. This small battery shouldn't take much to power it, so let's give it a try.
Might need a few minutes.
No, it has power. The gas light went off, so that's good. So we got power on the gas, but I'm not. All good. All right. I gotta figure out just how to fuel, like fuse for the fuel pump. It's really bothering me right now. Figure out if it has a fuse or not. So if any of you know anything about it, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you know a solution of why the fuel pump isn't working. Maybe I just need to know. I don't know. The ECU, everything is good. Everything's wired. The wires. But it should have, it shouldn't be this difficult to figure out why it started. Like I got a few wires like this. I don't know what it goes to. I have to find a little thread. Some of these are like signal lights. These things are signal lights and stuff like that. Oh, I bet you it goes to the headlight. That probably goes to the headlight. This was something. This probably a headlight too. This light plugs in with it. And this will tip it. I will tip it. Pro. Took these wires off under here, which I checked with the meter. I got power in one, but not in the other. And this green one right here, I have no power coming from it at all. So that made me believe that there is some kind of sensor or relay or something that is making the fuel pump not work. So let me get that figured out here shortly, hopefully. So just like I was telling you before, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. So to help anyone that may know anything about R1s, but I couldn't find my voltmeter. Let me turn the switch on. I couldn't find my voltmeter, but I have this light here. So, one side will be ground and one side is power. So that's the ground side. And see, it lights up, so that means it got power. On this one, I have no power whatsoever. This is like a little green connector. And there's no way you can put these on backwards. So they both look the same, but the grooves are different. So I was trying to figure out if I could put it on, if I had put it on backwards, but there's no way you could do that too. So that makes me believe that there is a fuse or some type of relay that's messed up on it right now. All right, you guys, a little disappointed right now today that I didn't get the bike started. So I need to do some research, and hopefully with the help of you guys, maybe somebody can lend me some insight on why is it not starting. I'm also checking to maybe getting a fuel pump, which I really don't think it is. So I'm gonna take out the fuel pump and maybe clean it. Maybe sitting up for 5 years, it got gunk on it and making it not work. I don't know. I'm throwing stones at it right now, but I want to try to exhaust all options before I have to go buy a fuel pump. I did not budget this for a new fuel pump. So guys, just stay tuned and I'll see you on the next video.